This is a 2013 Ford F-150. It's a 5.0 liter. And it wouldn't start this morning. So I watched this video, and this guy pointed to the fuse. The fuse is like right in front of the engine. A really good spot for a fuse box. Dodge and everybody else. This one here, the 20 amp fuse, this is the one that burned out. It was like right cooked. I had to use some my carving tools to dig out the pieces that got stuck behind, that got left behind. It was like right burnt on one side, on that side. So I took out this fuse right here just to see if it was, and well, I actually knew it was that fuse because it was right burned out. So I put it in there, turned the key over, and then another alarm went on because I had that out. So I went to Canadian Tire and bought fuses. These ones are different fuses than the fuses that have them sticking out like that. These are small little ones that stick out on the, actually I'll show you. Hang on. What these little cute little things look like. They're mini fuses. Right here. They're mini fuses. So they're not like the standard fuses that you see that are kind of underneath the dash. These ones here are a little smaller, and they're 20 amp. They come in different sizes. I bought a bunch of them just in case I blow them. So this 5 amp and 15 amp and so on. And I even got the puller. So this is the puller for it, and it's a tri-puller, fuse puller. So, and it has the right in for it. So if your engine turning over but not starting, check this fuse out first. Thanks to the guy on YouTube that showed me this one. And it was just turning over and over and over again. It's like it had no gas, but I have a full tank, and I don't even know what number that one is. I think, let me see, number 27. It's number 27, according to that. 27. Okay, there you go. And then all you have to do is close it. Close that. Come over here. Turn the key. And it starts. So without that, it just sounded like you weren't getting any gas. Just kept on. But change the fuse. Thank you, YouTube.